So here is how to clear cache in Chrome. To do that, we will first need to open up the Chrome application. And as you can see, I'm already here. Now, head over to the top right corner and click on the three dots. Then, you need to find and click on the settings option from the menu. You will then be taken to this page right over here. Now, go over to the left panel and select Privacy and Security. After that, you will get to see some options like these. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Now, select the time frame for which you want to clear the cache. And if you want, you can select All Time. After that, tick or untick whichever parts that you want to remove. So just make sure cache images and files are selected. After that, just click on Delete Data, and your cache will be removed from Chrome. And that's it. That is exactly how to clear cache in Chrome.